This is the kayak of Hatta.
The feeling really is very good. Ito pala yung mga activities na pwede nyo gawin dito sa
Yung magtutour kami. Tapos kami lang yung taong dalawa.
And you know, people there, they don't want
wala yung
to
mga
pay.
kasama namin.
They are our guests.
When they see guests from other country, they will be excited.
Yeah, I told them, Shuhada, I told them it's business. It's okay, I pay as long as it's local price.
They don't want because
They don't want, yeah.
Because when they see visitors, they will be excited. When you come to my country, never put them from my state. They will too much kind of these people.
Yeah. Everybody invited me to eat with them. It's nice. I like Pakistan.
The weather, everything.
It's much, right? Sharjah, wow. Sharjah. Abu Dhabi, Al Ain, Musanda. And then you are going to make a store in Fujairah, right? Fujairah, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah. So, what?
Hi guys! Andito kami sa dulo ng UAE. Hindi ko alam kung saan to. Mascot.
This is the first part of our Hatta tour.
Yeah.
Okay. We are currently in Mascot, and this is the
Mascot Museum. Is it?
That's the name is
First. Ito yung first part ng aming tour. Tour na dalawa lang kaming dalawa.
This is our first time, dalawa lang kami.
Dalawa lang kami.
Parang special to rin nangyari. Pasok tayo para naman na.
Ayan, pasokin
tingnan natin
namin yung...
kung anong meron sa museum ng Mascot.
Yes.
Mascot Museum.
Ito yung kanilang canyon.
Inside. Anong history ng Mascot?
Hindi ko rin alam.
Paano tayo ma-share? O dito tayo magkakaroon ng history niya.
Yeah, magbabayad tayo.
Assalamualaikum.
Wala na.
Here.
Okay. This is inside a historical museum and Mascot. Yung mga gamit nila nung mga araw. Ito yung dates.
Yung pag-akyat nila,
yung kanilang lakaan.
Palm tree ba yan, Day? Palm tree?
Oh, dates.
Ito itsura dati na. Ito itsura dati na. Tingnan nyo.
Yung may gawa nila ng ano.
500, from 500 BCE, then 500 CE, 622, 1803, 1905, 1928, 1946,
Long by the Hajar Mountain.
1940, 52.
Tiny village Mascot, known for its particular land, and Mascot is home to members of the Albidoy tribe. Ay pala mga tribe nila, yung parang sa atin mangyan, yung mga ganun, mga tribe.
Long by Hajar Mountains, the tiny village of Mascot is known for its fertile agricultural land and high quality marble. 5,000 BC. Mascot has also long been home to members of the Bidwat tribe. Al-Bidwat tribe. The strategic location of the village brought the Nae into frequent contacts of Maspot. Welcome to... Ito yung iniigiban nila, no?
Oo.
Wow.
Ay, gamit nila nung ano.
May baril sila dati. Untroubled past.
Ang baril nila.
Local tribes pala dito dati were in constant
Yan
conflict
si
with Umani
yan.
tribes in the region.
Sheikh Rashid bin Hamad, ruler of Asmatek in the early 1950s.
Caravans using the pass to the Umani
Mga artifacts nila.
The fort they built a Wadi Hatta
Storing water.
Maspot. The Maspot Tower located on the Bragi Mountains above the village was built to protect the local tribe against bandits.
Sa Museum of Mascot.
In 1905 by Sheikh Zayed bin Khalifa Al Nahyan. Maspot becomes an enclave of Asman. So, itong Maspot pala is part ng Asman. Nandun guys, so, century plus used for storing gunpowder. Ito yung tribe was the traditional of the Buddha tribe.
The Museum of Mascot. Na-reserve nila yung ano, children activities. Tingnan mo yung ano ng children activities nila.
Mas maganda pumunta ka ng mga museum nila kasi nandun yung history ng isang lugar. So hindi mo na kailangan muna ko. Di ba nagtanong tayo ng history ng lugar na to dahil?
Yes.
O nandito lang ang history.
Yung plancha nila nung araw.
First time tayo pumunta sa lugar. Pumunta kayo ng museum nila kasi meron naman sila mga museum. Para makita niyo ang history ng lugar.
The Museum of Mascot. Check! Yung sleepers nila dati, oh.
Ito yung mga damit ng girls, no? Women's activities. Ito man. Wow, pati yung chinelas. Chinelas nila.
Yung mga inuman nila, oh. Traditional medicine, traditional medicine.
Ito yung mga damit ng farm worker, no?
Oh. The old school in Maspot.
Ito yung niluluto yung food.
Paano sila maggamot?
Kasi mga activities nila before. Ito yung dentist nila. Ito yung traditional na panggagamot noon dito sa Maspot.
Discover the Hazard Mountains.
In Maspot,
Different stone. Watch.
The white mountain of this mountain is all developed. Yes, with a leather pattern.
Yan silang agila. Yan silang falcon.
Nakaka-surprise kayo dahil
Falcon.
Parang ganda pakinggan ng
Visit her.
pero pag dati siguro pag yung mga ganitong history or nung nandun ka sa time na mga ganito
Fox.
pero yung parang nakakatuwa siya. This local farmers irrigate Maspot.
Videohan ko lang ng ganito. Maspot. Aha. Belpure.
Welcome to Hata Dam. Guys, may mga kainan din dito. Guys, may mga Pilipino din ang tatrabaho dito.
Ah. Stones.
Ikot tayo doon. Wow. Look, ayun yun yung sabi ko sa inyo na ano. May picture. Pwede ba umikot doon?
Yata.
Sige, ikot tayo. Tayo doon.
This is the kayak of Hata.
The feeling really is very good. Ito pala yung mga activities na pwede nyo gawin dito sa here in Hata.
Ah.
Doon yung pinunta natin yung may museum, no?
Oo.
Girl, picture mo pala ako dyan.
Mamaya paglabas.
Paglabas natin.
Come. It's the Heritage Village.
Pupunta muna tayo dito.
We are here. From here.
Mga friends, you can visit Hata. Marami kayong pupunta dito. Heritage Village is free. Free to explore. Dito sa Heritage Village, makikita mo yung mga pinuulit nilang mga ilang pamumuha, yung bahay.
Hata. Ay, mali.
Pupwede naman yung uniform na hindi ganyan, modern ng style.
Meron, yung bahay lang na, yung dati nung araw, yung ganyan lang, oh.
Oo, yung parang old na kunwari. Swimming pool talaga siya, pero yung itsura niya parang tawlon, yung talon lang. Yung parang isang banga lang.
Laliguan. Oo. Tapos mayroong parts na ganyan lang. Tapos,
Parang piturahan mo lang ng gantong kulay.
tapos doon yung yung traditional na
Hindi naman yung swimming, di ba?
mayroon naman ng part sa baba ng bundok ko na ginawa kong fish pond. Yun naman pwede mo gawin swimming pool.
Hindi mo alagaan.
Yung mamimingwit yung ano, high part ng tapos ang
Kaya fish na pwede na sila yung kakain. Tapos pagkain, pababayaran.
hindi, yung ulam.
Diba?
Uulamin nila. Ihaw. Kasi doon sa part na yun. Tapos may bukal kasi doon. Nadagdagan mo na lang ng tubig na malakas na kas. Tapos yung swimming pool mo ano, flow water, ano? Yung nagpo-flowing lang siya. Oo. Diba? Ganda nun. Ano naman yung hair ko? Lumipad.
Bakit naman sa'yo?
Lumipad nito.
Bakit naman sa'yo? Sa akin kasi makikita na kanal.
Wala, nakatayo pa rin siya. Standing position. Nalaban.
Na may pagkita ng talampas.
Meron siguro. This is Swan Lake of Hatta.
Yun lang pala yung
Hatta, Hatta.
Pangit naman yun sa...
Pero nakakatawa yung ilog nila. Andun. Andun ang Swan.
Swimming. Picture naman ako dali dito. Dahil, siguro naman yan, experience na natin ng tao. Para may tao, ay, 200 steps.
Day.
Bawal, ito yung mga bawal. Ito yung mga
Welcome to Hill Park,
bawal.
Hatta.
Paglaro ng bato-batuhan. Drone, bawal. Scooter, bawal. Pamimitas ng bulaklak, bawal.
No spitting.
Pagdura, bawal. Oh, yan yung mga bawal dito. Yung skating, biking, running, bawal din. Pagtapon ng basura sa tamang tapunan is allowed.
This is Hatta Dam.
Okay, sa mga pupunta naman dito, ang bawal naman, bawal mag-swimming, lecturing, camping, cutting of trees and plants, bawal feeding birds, fish, bawal, entering of motorcycles, bawal, vehicles, bawal, hunting wildlife, bawal, fishing, bawal, barbecuing, car, bawal.
Hatta Dam. This is Hatta Dam.
Activities dito.
Archery. Hatta Aerial Adventure Park.
Assalamualaikum.
Kinakabagan ako.
Talaga?
Naninigas yung tiyan ko.
Wala pa namang CR dito.
Hindi ako natatay, pero natatay talaga. Kita doon. Nakikinig doon.
Akabag yung parang naninigas yung tiyan.
Oo, tapos mahay dugtog yung lumalagudog. This is Hatta Dam.
Actually, hindi naman ako takot kasi
And
marunong
we
ako
here
lumakad.
in Hatta Dam. Nice.
Wala ako din papunta doon.
Yeah.
At inalaw kami na pumasok. First time ko tayo